Bardahl, a historic passion built on strong values. Our growth is the result of innovation and of our conqueror state of mind. We care for mechanics, humans, and our planet. Bardahl is a key player in the automotive and industry sectors. Our products meet all your needs in many different sectors. Engine additives, engine and transmission oils, special lubricants, greases, penetrating oils, sealants and adhesives, brake fluids, coolants, screen washers, maintenance products, ready-for-use fuel, professional equipment. Our customers trust us. Bardahl, nothing will stop you.